Hey, what up guys? Welcome to another IT tech support video. Today I'm going to show you how to implement a pixel code onto your website. So pretty much this website is one of our clients, and what we're going to go ahead and do, they want to start Facebook marketing, and their Facebook marketer or whoever is doing the marketing said, hey, let's install this piece of code onto the website. So usually who installs this piece of code is your web developer or your marketer. So it kind of depends on, what your marketer is getting paid for and how big is his team, or your web developer. Most likely it's going to fall on the web developer on installing the pixel code, since it's a really basic way to kind of, install it. What you want to do, you first want to back up your website. If you have not backed up your website, it has to be step one. The reason why is because we're going to go on the back end on the website, and we're going to install the code into the hard editor, which again, if you mess up anything in the editor, can mess up your whole website. So you got to be really, really careful. Once you log into your dashboard, you want to go into appearance. Once you go to appearance, you want to scroll down on the right hand side, and you want to go to header PHP. So again, I kind of want to warn you guys, if you mess this up, your whole site can go down. So in here, you can tell we have the Google Tag Manager, the PPC, that's what that is. And then you have the code. So you kind of do have to learn how to now input the code just kind of anywhere, because if, let's say, here is the beginning of Tag Manager to here. So if I enter the code anywhere in between 4 and line 10, it will mess up everything. As well, I believe this is part of the tag manager, so we can't input it there. And if we put it in the body, you're doing it wrong. You have to put it in the header. And let me see, the head starts here. And every time you see a little slash like this, that means that is where the header ends. So we're pretty much going to just press enter. All right, so we pasted the code, and you can tell there's a lot of double lines, and that's not how it's supposed to be. So we're just going to close the gaps. Again, we want to have this piece of code clean. Make sure that, people, if another web developer goes on, they can read it. So right here, we imported the script and the script, but it's still within our reach of the header. So if you see any kind of red, you definitely did something wrong. Not this kind of red, but if you see a red on the number, you definitely did something wrong. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And then we are going to save. Update file. And again, don't leave this page. Open the website on another tab. When you open the website, another tab, make sure your header's not broken, none of that stuff. And if you actually inspect your code, you should be able to see the Facebook. And we're going to type in Facebook. And there is your Facebook pixel. So you want to make sure it is properly inserted. And here's a tag, some of the tag manager. Here's the Facebook pixel. And that is how you install Facebook pixel onto your website. If you don't know what Facebook pixel is, please leave a comment. We'll make another video explaining what exactly it is. Thank you for watching another tech tutorial. Please give it a huge thumbs up, a subscribe if you like, and talk to you soon.